everyone, my name is Evan Banks. I am here presenting about the future of warehouse efficiency and how automation is transforming operations. This is for Marketing 2390 Professional Business Presentations. A brief introduction. Have you ever wondered how your online order arrives so fast and efficiently? Behind every quick delivery is a warehouse system powered by automation and technology. These advancements have completely changed how businesses operate and how customers are served, and are constantly changing and evolving. As someone who's worked in a warehouse, especially in operations and logistics for years, I've seen firsthand just how much faster and more efficient technology has made the process. Automation and technology are transforming warehouses by improving speed, accuracy, and most importantly, safety. In this presentation, I'll go over three main key points: how automation improves efficiency, how it's changing employee roles in the workplace, and how it benefits customers and businesses. By the end of this presentation, you'll see how automation is not just about the machines, it's also about creating smarter, safer, and more reliable systems. Automation boosts efficiency. One of the biggest benefits of automation is efficiency. Automated systems reduce human error and speed up processes that used to take hours or even days. This is extremely important because I see all the time in my warehouse how exactly long it could take for just one simple process and one step of the process to take with and without technology. Tools like barcode scanners, RFID tags, and robotic systems make it possible to track and move products with incredible precision. This is extremely important, and I wish we had this in our current warehouse that I work at now. When I've worked at warehouses that have this, I've seen everything that I do currently done in probably a fifth of the time. For example, Amazon uses Kiva robots to transport inventory throughout their fulfillment centers, cutting processing times by as much as 40%. Automation allows companies to move products faster and meet growing customer demands. The way it's able to move so much faster is without the human error, and computers could think a lot faster than humans could think. This is a very great advantage in warehouses where it is important to make sure that all deliveries are on time and make sure all product is accounted for and in their correct place. The human element. Automation doesn't just replace people, it helps them work smarter. Instead of performing repetitive or physical demanding tasks, employees now monitor systems, analyze data, and improve operations. A lot of people might say that robots will take over your jobs and you'll lose your jobs because of robots, but instead they'll actually help create more specialized roles in the job and workplace. This could be extremely useful because it helps us think more outside the box and think of better ways how to improve these systems without putting our own lives at risk, and while also helping make everything smoother and quicker. This shift in the workplace creates a safer and more skilled workplaces. Workers learn to operate and maintain advanced systems, and they're able to focus more on problem solving than heavy labor. Again, this goes back to that main thing of instead of doing physically demanding tasks, it instead creates a more specialized job role. In my own personal experience managing operations, this has led to higher morale and fewer workplace injuries. The biggest way this helps with morale specifically is that instead of everyone being so exhausted and tired from moving heavy boxes, they're now instead focusing more on how to operate systems and how to control the computer programs. How this helps the customer and businesses. The automation doesn't just help warehouses, it benefits customers and the businesses too. It creates faster order processing, which leads to quicker deliveries and better accuracy. That means fewer returns, happier customers, and stronger brand loyalty. This can also mean less damaged product because this happens a lot in our warehouse specifically, but people like to drop boxes, and where I work is we work with a lot of lights, And if boxes get dropped, that means they get broken and glass gets shattered, and we have to reorder that product, and it comes out of our costs. For companies, this also means saving money through improved inventory control and fewer mistakes. Like I said, just going back to that dropping boxes scenario. When operations are efficient, it creates a ripple effect that improves customer satisfaction and long-term growth. One of the main ways it helps with customer satisfaction is it just goes back to that quicker deliveries and better accuracy. If everything is quick and efficient, then the customer gets their products in time when they need it and when they order it, and it also ensures they get the correct item instead of the wrong thing. A good case study here is Amazon. They operate with over 500,000 robots worldwide. Their automation systems have reduced processing times by up to 40%, allowing them to deliver millions of packages every day. This is actually a huge number. This means they could deliver way more and handle way more of a workload than just regular warehouses. AI systems also help predict demand, manage inventory, and choose the fastest delivery routes. This is another big key thing, because if they're able to predict demand, you're able to stock up on things that tend to sell out, and that means more happy customers. Amazon's success shows how powerful automation can be when combined with smart leadership and innovation. Looking ahead to the future, automation will continue to evolve. Artificial intelligence will make logistics more predictive and accurate. Drones and autonomous vehicles will take on more deliveries, reducing delays and labor costs. The big thing here is the drones. With that, you have to get to bypass traffic, and if there's an accident, your package isn't delayed or possibly even skipped. There's also a growing focus on sustainability, using energy-efficient systems and reducing waste. The future of warehouse operations will be faster, greener, and more data-driven. So quickly, just a quick little recap. Automation improves warehouse efficiency by speeding up processes and reducing errors. Second, technology enhances worker roles by making jobs more skill-based. And third, customers benefit through faster, more accurate service and stronger brand reliability. Again, automation isn't just changing the warehouse's it's changing the entire business landscape. Thank you for your time, and I hope this helped you understand how impactful automation is in warehouse operations, and how it's not just taking people's jobs, it's also switching them over to a more specialized and more improved role.